Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lage Raho. In today's class we are learning fill in the blanks dear students FB. FB in short we'll call it as fill in the blanks. Don't get confused. It is not a Facebook. Got it? So it's a fill in the blanks. Now set 2 we are learning dear students. Set 1 is already done. You go through that video and today we will see what set 2 now. Set 2 is what now? See here. So 2, 0, 11, 1, minus 10 by 7, minus 1. They are given different options for us. So in this, which is the correct one, we have to choose here. So first question they are given the value of tan square sec inverse of 2 plus cot square cosec inverse of 3 is dash they are given. Yes sir. So how to solve this one? Easily we can solve, dear students. So now see here, everyone know the trigonometric identities. So now see here what we can write. 1 plus tan square andre ಏನು 1 plus tan square x. Sec square x will write. Will you agree everyone? So ಇದನ್ನ 10th ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So ಇದು 1 plus tan square ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x square x plus 1 you take this side minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So understood everyone? So tan square x ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Tan square x. This is only x I am saying, dear students. This sec inverse 2 is only x. Tan square x, how I can write? Sec x square x. X is what here? Sec inverse of 2, dear students. ನೋಡ್ರಿ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Sec inverse 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. x ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Sec x square x ಇದಲ್ಲೇ sec inverse of 2 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ? -1. ಇದು tan square x. tan square x ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ? sec x square x -1 ಇಲ್ಲೋ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? sec inverse of 2 ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ರೋಟ್ cot square x. cot square ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 1 plus cot square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cosec square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. 1 plus cot square is cosec square. ಸೊ cot square x ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? cosec square x -1. ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೊಂದಿದೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವೆರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ cot square x ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? cot square x ಇದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ, ನನಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಅನ್ಕೋಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ cot square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cosec square x. cosec square x ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ? cosec inverse of 3 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಸೊ -1 ಮುಂದಿದೆ -1 ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿಗ sec of sec inverse x ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. sec of sec inverse x is what? x only. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡಿದೆ, 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ -1. cosec inverse of cosec cosec inverse x ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. cosec of cosec inverse x ಅಂದ್ರೂ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ x ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ -1. ಸೊ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 4 -1 9 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 9 -1. ಸೊ 4 -1 is 3, 9 -1 is 8, 3 plus 8 is 11, dear students. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನೇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ. So 11 is our answer. I hope you understood this one. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 2. So now see here. For the matrix A, in matrix equation Ax is equal to B, if determinant A is equal to 0 and adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0, then there exists dash solution, dear students. This is we have discussed in MCQ of determinants also. Once again we will repeat this. If determinant value is equal to 0, then adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0 means then we can say there exists what? No solution, dear students. ಈ ತರ ಆದ್ರೆ determinant A is equal to 0, adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 that is equal to 0, dear students. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? So 0 is our answer, dear students. I hope you understood this. So we will go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Third one, the order of the differential equation. D means differential equation of all circles of given radius. A is what here, dear students? They are asking order of this. So general equation of circle, how will write? Equation of circle, you know. So if you don't know, you see here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius is given how much? Actually, generally you will write r square. So radius I will write it later now. So this is the general equation. So radius is given how much, dear students? Radius is given as a. So a square it will become. So in this, how many arbitrary constants are there? ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕಿವಿ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಬರೀ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವಾಗಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ h and k are arbitrary constants. How many arbitrary constants will be there? Listen carefully. Once again I am repeating. How many arbitrary constants are there? So that much order will be there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ arbitrary constants ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? h and k are arbitrary constants. ಎರಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರದ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Order is 2, dear students. Order is 2. That is this option, first one. So I hope it is clear, everyone. So we'll go for next question. Before going also, I want to say something. So arbitrary constants are there. These are general solution. So sir, these are also having sometimes particular solution. They will ask. Particular solution does not have order. That is order is 0, dear students. Understood? Arbitrary constants will be not there for that. So order is 2. This is order is 2. How many arbitrary constants are there? 2 are there. So this is general solution. Idu general solution. Order ಎರಡು ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು arbitrary constants ಇದೆ. Correct? So particular solution ಗೆ arbitrary constants will be 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ particular solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವುತರ values ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. h and k values will put. So that's why it is having zero arbitrary constants, dear students. Particular solution. Understood? ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ particular solution is having 0 arbitrary constants. General solution, what is the order? No, those many arbitrary constants will be there. So how many arbitrary constants? That much will be the degree. Order, dear students. Fine. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 4. The lines x minus 1 divided by minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2k is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2 and x minus 1 divided by 3k is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 divided by minus 5 are at perpendicular. Then value of k is what? They are saying these lines are perpendicular, dear students. Perpendicular means what? b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. Already I had told you just now. So now see here, we have discussed in first video, dear students, set 1. So now see here, set 2, same only question, and in previous videos also we have discussed this. So this is in standard form. Is standard form nalli ideyo athwa illo? Standard form nalli ide. So andre idrallu b1 enagutte? b1 is what? b1 dot b2 is equal to 0 because they are perpendicular, dear students. Perpendicular idre b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. So what is b1 now? So b1 you see here. These below numbers are called as what? b1. So minus 3 I cap plus 2 k j cap plus 2 k cap dot b2 is what? ಇದು ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದು b2. ಸೊ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ b2 ಅಂತಾರೆ. 3k I cap plus 1 j cap so minus 5 k cap is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೊ I to I we will multiply dot product minus 3 into minus 3k, sorry, minus 3 into plus 3k minus 9k, 2k into 1 j to j, 2k into 1 is 2k, so 2 into minus 5 minus 10 equal to 0. How much you will get? Minus 9k plus 2k minus 7k minus 10, you take this side, plus 10, k is equal to 10 by minus 7, dear students. So this is our required answer. So that is there in option here, fourth one. Got it? I mean sorry, fifth one, dear students. So I hope you understood this one. So if you are understanding, please like my channel, and my fees is this only. So remember always, my fees is what? Liking the channel and commenting us and subscribing those who are new. Fine? This is my fees. Because this video is totally free of cost. We are not selling our education, dear students. Got it? So please copy this. We'll go for the next one. Let us see the next question, dear students. So fifth one, if A and B are any two events such that P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to P of A, then P of A bar B is equal to dash. Sometimes, dear students, once again I will say here, something is hidden. P of A intersection B, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? intersection का जगह में and also they will ask P of A and B. A and B is also same only, and is nothing but intersection, dear students. And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? intersection ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, confuse ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now see here. Now then how to find P of A bar B? See here. Already they are given what? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to P of A. Is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is given, dear students. P of A get cancelled. So ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಇದಷ್ಟೇ. So P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to 0, dear students. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So nothing is there means 0 will remains. So P of minus P of A intersection B ಬಲಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So plus P of A intersection B is equal to P of B will get. Yes or no? P of A intersection B is called as P of B, dear students. So now P of A bar B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Therefore P of A bar B, how we will write the formula? So P of A intersection B divided by P of B. ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ? P of A bar B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? P of A intersection B divided by P of B, dear students. So P of A intersection B ಏನಿದೆ? So P of B divided by P of B. चमका के नहीं सबको? चमका? So this get cancelled. P of A intersection B ಅಂದ್ರೆ P of B ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So ಇದೇ ನೀವೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So is equal to how much you will get? 1, dear students. Our option is this one, fourth one. So I hope it is clear, everyone. So if you are understanding this video, liking this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment also if you are understanding something. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. So please copy this. Thank you.